Welcome back to POSTECH International YouTube channel. Well, it's winter now, it's very cold, and I'm Long from GYLP. Today, this vlog is about POSTECH campus tour. Let's go. The very first place I want to introduce is the cabin loop. We can easily get there by moving toward East Gate across a hill. Tucked away among tall trees and beautiful mountains, Cabin Loop is the perfect place for POSTECH students to unwind. Whether you are sipping on soju or enjoying cold beer, the calm atmosphere is ideal for relaxing. With music playing in the background and a stunning view of nature all around, it's a perfect spot to chill with friends or take a peaceful break from campus life. The Cabin Loop is all about enjoying good drinks, good music, and the beautiful of nature in a cozy setting. Everything you need for fitness and fun is Sportplex, the ultimate spot for staying active in POSTECH. It has a well-equipped gym, a swimming pool, and dedicated space for workouts. You can also enjoy playing basketball or badminton with friends on the courts. Whether you are into intense workouts or just looking to have fun, Sportplex has everything you need to stay fit and active. For sports lovers, the futsal court and tennis court at POSTECH are also perfect places. The futsal court is ideal for fast-paced, small-sided soccer games, while the tennis court offers a great spot to enjoy singles or doubles matches. Where you are looking for practicing your skills or have some fun with friends, these courts provide the perfect setting for some friendly competition and exercise. The 24/7 building is the student haven for those who need a space to study or relax at any time of day or night. With a group study rooms and a pantry, it's perfect for long study sessions or collaborative work. Students can stay as long as they like, making it easy to focus, grab a snack, or even unwind. Whether you are burning the midnight oil or need a break between classes, 24/7 is the place to be, providing both a productive environment and a comfy space to rest. Next place I want you to see is the Jigok Community Center. Dining, shopping, and entertainment in one place. Jigok Community Center is a bustling hub where POSTECH students can enjoy great food, convenience, and entertainment all in one spot. For meals, there are 2 restaurants serving up delicious full-course meals, perfect for satisfying lunch or dinner. If you are in a mood for something quicker, the fast food restaurant has you covered with tasty grab and go options. Plus, there's a convenience store on site, stocked with snacks, drinks, and daily essentials, making it easy to pick up anything you might need during the day. But Jigok isn't just about food, it's also a place to relax and have fun. The eSport Coliseum, located inside the community center, offers a unique space for students to enjoy music and entertainment. Whether you are a fan of K-pop or into gaming, this is a perfect place to hang out with friends. You can listen to your favorite tunes, compete in video games, or just kick back and enjoy a vibrant atmosphere. With its combination of great food, convenient shopping, and lively entertainment, Jigok Community Center is a favorite hangout spot for students looking to recharge, connect with others, or have a little fun between classes. Another famous place in POSTECH is Student Union Building, the heart of student life at POSTECH, where students can gather, create, and showcase their talents. It is the go-to place for events organized by students, offering a venue for everything from rock concerts to hip-hop rap battles. Whether you are a performer or an audience member, the building brings together students who share a passion for music, art, and creativity. The music room is another highlight, providing a dedicated space for students to practice their instruments. Whether it's guitars, drums, or any other instrument, it's a perfect environment for anyone looking to refine their skills or rehearse with a band. Whether you are attending an exciting concert or jamming with friends, the Student Union Building is where the energy and creativity of POSTECH come to life. Close to the Student Union Building are multiples of department buildings. You just need to walk downhill to see many different departments such as computer science, industrial management, material science, and many other science sectors. The department buildings are the core of academic life at POSTECH, offering students a state-of-the-art environment to attend their classes and focus on their studies. Inside, you will find top-notch lecture rooms equipped with modern technology, including large screen displays that enhance learning and make learnings more engaging. The building is designed to foster a productive and dynamic learning experience for all students. Beyond the classrooms, the department building also features well-equipped study rooms with powerful computers, giving students the tools they need to complete assignments, conduct research, or simply take a break between classes. Whether you need to a quiet place to study or to relax and recharge, the department building provides a comfortable and efficient setting to support your academic journey. Next, I will bring you to a very special place that only POSTECH have. Change Up Ground Building is one of the most unique and dynamic spaces at POSTECH, serving not only as a place for students but also for post-school staff. It's a space where you can find a quiet corner to focus on your studies or enjoy beautiful, tranquil spots to relax and recharge between tasks. With its modern design and wide variety of comfortable spaces, the Change Up Ground Building is one often seen as an extension of the campus library. There are numerous study areas scattered through the building, each offering a peaceful atmosphere for students who need a calm place to work or study. The building also houses office for several companies, bringing a professional, real-world atmosphere to the campus. This connection to industry provides students with a chance to experience a productive, work-oriented environment. Change Up Ground Building has recreational options to help you relax and unwind. There's a table tennis area where you can join your friends and a gaming zone to enjoy some downtime between study sessions. Whether you're working, studying, or just taking a moment to de-stress, the Change Up Ground Building offers something for everyone, making it a perfect space to balance productivity and relaxation. Last but not least, library, the heart of knowledge and study. The POSTECH Library is the go-to place for focused study and academic resources, with an extensive collection of books, journals, and digital materials. It provides everything students need to succeed in their studies. Quiet, comfortable study areas and group workspace are spread throughout, making it easy to find the perfect environment for any type of study session. Whether you are looking to dive deep into research or simply need a peaceful place to read, the library is the heart of academic life at POSTECH. And this is the end of the vlog about campus tour. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and look forward for the next video. See ya!